udon with soup. Today, I am going to teach you how to cook very yummy udon. Oil. Saute that. Then we can now put our tuna or sardinas, hang or not, so it's okay. I like spicy. Udon, yummy. You can also add in the fish and soy. We can put our soup. So instead of miswa, you can put sohon if you like. And now our udon is ready. Let's eat. Now let's eat. This is udon with soup. Oh, sarap din to sa sardinas. Sardinas talaga. Also, masarap din ito siya sa kanin, guys. Let's have rice. So good. Oh, good.